Just today morning, I just heard the news that the minister of Maldives have made some statement directly attacking our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. But exactly, I don't know what the issue is. And of course, our government has reacted, and they are calling back the ambassador, I think. And there's a lot of tourism is affected, because many people cancel their flights and hotels. Of course, there's going to be lot of inconvenience, but we Indians are expressing that those type of direct statements attacking the Prime Minister is not good. But we don't know what is the issue is exactly why he made that statement, and what is that, we don't know.
How is this Indian places like tourism?
Indian places, of course, we are
Getting better.
yes, a lot of improvement in tourism. I think our government should invest a lot on tourism, allocate a lot of budget for tourism, so that many people for this budget they can come, not only from India, from abroad also. Goa, of course, is a very old place, and a lot of history is there. So we are enjoying. Weather is good. And food is good. People are very.
Your good name, sir?
My name is James
From?
Amberpeta. I'm from US,
Okay.
Indianapolis,
Okay.
basically.
Yeah.
He's wrong. And
Which better is
but
the
tourism wise, I didn't visit Maldives, but being an Indian, born and raised in India, definitely my heart goes for India, and I love being an Indian, called as an Indian, even though I don't live here. I enjoy my trips to India, and this is the first time in Goa, and I'm loving it.
How is the experience on Goa?
Experience is, I'm like, so far so good. Experience
The food
is
and which is-
food. I really love the food. I am still trying to explore
The seafood.
seafood. So I'm really happy I made this choice of visiting Goa, and I hope it's going to be a very pleasant trip for me.
Your good name?
My name is Manjula.
क्या places visit किए?
बहुत बढ़िया पैलेस है। मैं अभी 4-5 कंट्री घूम चुका हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है फॉरेन कंट्री को भी पीछे छोड़ दिया है हमारे गोवा ने। मैं उत्तराखंड से हूँ, नैनीताल से। मुझे इससे बेहतर कोई नहीं लगा। मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि साल में कम से कम हमारे यहाँ उत्तराखंड से, नैनीताल से 2 महीने 3 महीने के लिए यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए। बहुत ही बड़ा पैलेस है, बहुत ही अच्छा।
सर बाहर कंट्री से भी गोवा इज अ बेटर।
मैं दुबई, सऊदी, अफ्रीका, ये इन 3-4 कंट्रियों में गया हूँ मैं, लेकिन यार गोवा तो गोवा ही है वाकई
क्या
में।
गोवा में क्या लाइक हुआ आपको?
यहाँ पर जो बीच है वो एक ऐसा है कि आप सुबह मॉर्निंग में चले जाएं, पूरी इवनिंग, पूरी नाइट भी अगर वहाँ रहेंगे तो आपका मन ही नहीं भरेगा। ऐसी चीज है वहाँ।
आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद नफीस।
और हमारे यहाँ काफी ठंड पड़ रही है, तो हमने सोचा थोड़ा गोवा घूम के आए। यहाँ भी इतनी गर्मी है और पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा है वाकई, और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हम विदेश में घूम रहे हैं। यहाँ सारा एक तो कल्चर इतना बढ़िया है, हर कोई यहाँ पर इतनी अच्छी तरीके से हमें वो कर रहा है, बात कर रहा है हमसे। यहाँ पर बिल्कुल 0% क्राइम है, यहाँ क्राइम नहीं है बिल्कुल भी। जैसे ये होता है कि लूट खसोट, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है ऐसा। और कहीं पर भी आप जाओ, मतलब कोई आपको यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसी वाली बात करने वाला नहीं है कि भाई साहब हम ये ले लो वो ले लो, इस तरीके से वाली बातें करते हैं ना दूसरी जगह जाते हैं। तो यहाँ तो हमें तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। यहाँ पर कल हम बीचेस पे थे, वहाँ काफी मजा आया। वहाँ भी कोई ऐसा ज्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है, काफी बढ़िया चीज है वहाँ। और कोई ऐसी वाली बात नहीं लगी जैसे हमें खतरा होता है एक तरीके का, यार के बहुत सी जगहों पे यहाँ पे हमें कोई लूट लेगा, कुछ ऐसे कर लेगा। तो गोवा तो यार वाकई यार वेरी नाइस। मेरा नाम नवाब खान।
यहाँ का कल्चर, यहाँ का हर चीज बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। यहाँ के लोग सपोर्टेड लोग हैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया। जहाँ भी पूछो, कहीं भी जाना हो, कहीं भी कुछ भी है, तो यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सुना था कि गोवा में ये है, गोवा में वो है, इतना कुछ होता है यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। पहले आओ, देखो गोवा क्या है, तभी पता चलेगा। यहाँ के फैसिलिटी, यहाँ की साफ सफाई, यहाँ की हर चीज बहुत बढ़िया है।
आपका नाम?
शादाब खान।
Very bad taste that one nation's ministers, not that was not one, three ministers making comment against our prime minister, which is not in good taste. And definitely we see the impact because of that. There were a lot of cancellation, I believe, which has happened from not only from the hotel front, but even the airlines. They have been cancelling right, left, and center. And add to that, people are shifting their, the destination because of that. Lakshadweep is a part of India, and definitely our Prime Minister has all the right and all the will to promote any destination in India. And Lakshadweep is upcoming destinations. There are going to be a lot of investment which is happening in. Taj is coming with beautiful 2 properties there. And I think already you have, from Goa is concerned, Goa we have, I think with the new airline, which is regional airline starting, Fly 91, we are going to have a direct flight to Agati, which is one of the islands in Lakshadweep. So I think it is a great opportunity for tourists to visit this place. And Goa, we get lot of foreign tourists who wants to explore Lakshadweep Islands. Who come on charter flight or scheduled flights. I think that will be with the direct connectivity, it will create more opportunities. So definitely the impact will be seen in the Maldives because of bad mouth. And already their government is already, I believe the Prime Minister has already taken a call and they have suspended this 3 Ministers of State, I believe. And I think people should be careful when they are talking about India. Because India as a whole, it is a big market. It's almost, we are talking about 140 crore plus people. And wherever you go, you find Indians. So you cannot hurt the Indian sentiments. And I think this will be a lesson learned for everyone that, not to do bad mouthing against India unnecessarily. As far as tourist destination is concerned, India has a lot of things to offer, right from north to south. And Indians are exploring, and even the foreign tourists are coming and exploring the different aspect of hospitality which India has to offer. And Lakshadweep is no different. As far as Goa is concerned, I think there may be opportunity. People who don't want to go to Maldives, they can make Goa their destination, because Goa has a lot to offer. Definitely Lakshadweep will catch up with the good infrastructure coming in, direct flights coming into Lakshadweep. I think it will pick up. But as of now, I think Goa has a lot to offer, right from South Goa, beautiful beaches, to North Goa, nightlife, and the type of infrastructure which we have, type of hotel brands we have. I think and the direct type of connectivity we have throughout India, direct flights into Goa. So I think Goa should be the destination, and Goa should encash this, and definitely we'll see upward trajectory in Goa in days to come. Where to Maldives?
Yeah.
See, Goa is a very small, outbound market, people going from out. So that statistics we don't have. So I don't foresee there will be much of thing as far as Goa is concerned. But as India as a whole, all we are in different travel groups or tour groups which we are communicating with. We find there is a lot of boycott call which has been given for whatever be the reason. And I think it will have an impact in short term for sure. And in long term, people will prefer the destination which are as beautiful as and with more value for money. I think people will try to go to Lakshadweep or Andaman Nicobar Island or in and around islands, and of course Goa as our destination.